Can't have pizza and no beer. It's hard. And all this kind of lock and key-ish with the shiplap on the side of the walls. We have a neon light that's going to go up there. It says it's better to be full of pizza than full of, and it has a blank line, so you can write in whatever the heck we want. John is going to come up with all of our merchandise sayings, all the dad joke. The world is flat. I call the world is flat. Now I love that one. The world, our world is flat.
Yeah.
I'm sure the pizza. Yeah. So we can connect more. So this would be one table like that.
Party, not party. I get it.
I would be like, I would.
Yeah. You said leave it a little thick. Leoparding, so that's leoparding to the pizza, so it kind of browns up and everything. These are little bubbles that pull away, so it creates a crust. It pulls away from where it's all like nice and cold, and so that'll actually burn up or brown. So that's why you get that leoparding pattern. A whole bunch of like air is getting released at the same time across the thing, so feels good. 3 minutes. Huh? So LK tap tap, because the cocktails went out to the house, and then people made it, and then they said cheers, and then they sent it to us. So at the very end, we're like, oh, that's a cool thing, because she tapped the camera.
You could hear it.
She went tick tick. Yep. So like, oh, that's cool. So now it's like that's the thing now. So we're gonna do like LK tap tap, so that you hashtag that and send it to us, and we'll send it back to you, and we do a cheers back. So
there we go.
yeah, it'll be a good one.
I like that.
We have the counter over there.
Put that in the oven?
That's true.
And they just let it sit.
So we are selling a tomahawk here. For sure. Yeah. For sure. I like that. That's cool. Watch this. It's not done yet, right? No. None? But that's what we wanted to have happen. Yeah. So the idea would be to like cut that in half, and then you can stuff it with lettuce, salad, and that's your fucking salad bowl, or that's your sandwich that you have. It's not that hot.
Yeah, right? Look at that.
It's good.
Bro, it's pretty amazing.
Unfuckable with.
This is gonna be hot too.
It's gonna be great.
That's the best pizza in town. That's the best pizza in town.
Oh!
Dang. Hollywood Marine. It's good.
That was really
Recap of the day. So we got some pizza dough. We were able to test the oven today for the first time. A couple fail attempts. A couple really good things that we tried. Kind of changed some things up. Overall, I'm excited about what we have going on. We're gonna put some dough in. We're gonna see how it changes from day to day now. Because that's just the stupid things that we do. So we'll test it tomorrow. We'll test it the next day. Then we'll try to figure out if we're going to be able to do a pop-up or not. Try to start something, maybe family meal on a Sunday. There's a lot of cool things that we're open up to. The really cool thing, though, I think that we found out is that we can cook a tomahawk in the oven too as well. So this could be a thing. We could be doing tomahawk pizzas. So, but really excited about what's going on. We're got to take this phone call so we can get an order in, or tell that we can't take an order today. But hope you're having a good one. This is day 4 now, I think. Peace out, man. Stay alive. Later.